In today's episode, we will be showing you the correct application of SoftGel Tips extension from Vynn. And also, we will tell you about do's and don'ts while applying SoftGel Tips extension. Hi, my name is Manji, Vynn International Nail Instructor. And this is the step-by-step nail series of Vynn. And this episode is dedicated to any nail stylist who is having an issue with sculpting, shaping, or having a time limitations, as we might have some solution for you. So before we begin our procedure for SoftGel Tips extension, let's check the list of the products and tools that we are using in this tutorial. We are using SoftGel Tips Medium Almond, a nail file of 100 by 180 grit, a buffer of 100 by 180 grit, Vynn Dehydrator Extra Adhesion, rechargeable spot LED lamp for flash curing, manicure brush, diamond flame drilling bits from Vynn, a cuticle 5-oil complex, a cuticle jelly remover, Oh My Gloss No Wipe top coat, a salon gel polish number 262, it's called Black King, SoftGel tip step 1 prep for decreasing, step 2 primer acid free, step 3 strong foundation adhesive, step 4 no wipe top coat, a cuticle nipper, Vynn cuticle pusher, a wooden stick, painter high pigments, a nail art brush 005, a nail art brush 001 Zostovo, and Vynn Senso Cream Kiss Me. To start with, we'll disinfect both of our hands and put on gloves to start the shortening the natural nail using 100 by 180 grit filer. For SoftGel application, we can use any of the two techniques to prepare the cuticle area, like ordinary manicure preparation using nipper and pusher, or e-filing manicure preparation using drilling bits. In this tutorial, we are going to present you an e-filing manicure preparation using Vynn's diamond flame bits and pusher. Also, we have surprise for you in the end of the episode. Stay tuned. After filing natural nail short, let's push the cuticle gently using cuticle pusher and create a pocket by lifting epinecium with our diamond flame bits from Vynn. Following the step to all the fingers, we will apply jelly cuticle remover to the cuticle and start cutting them gently. The next step will be matting the natural nail plate by buffing them precisely. Before we enter to the application of SoftGel Tips extension, let's get to know more about it. We have 5 trending different shapes and size available in Vynn SoftGel Tips extension, which are long coffin, long stiletto, medium almond, medium square, and short round. SoftGel Tip system is a quick and innovative method with easy application which gives you natural look. So let me tell you the advantage of it. It is thin and flexible around the cuticle. It has built apex for strength which gives us 3 to 4 weeks of long-lasting result. It has perfect C-curve and it is harder to the free edge, which helps it not to bend easily. And it is super quick salon extension compared to other extension. It is easy to remove as it's soluble to the acetone. Wow, that's a lot of advantage, isn't it? Ahead of SoftGel application, it is important to choose the right tips and customize them as it's required. Subsequently, choose for all 5 fingers and let's prepare them. And now you guys have a question. How to pick the correct size and how to customize them correctly, right? I got you. While picking the size, we should not overlap the side walls. Also, we should not compress the tips while choosing them. If you don't find the right size, pick little big size and file the side walls to fit perfectly. In case if we have a client with strong toenail on natural nail, we can roll the tips before the application. With our immaculate nail plate, let's start the application. Apply step 1 to the natural nail plate and to the tips. It removes moisture and even the pH level of the nail plate, and also it mats and decreases the tips. Likewise, apply step 2 primer acid-free liquid For securing the adherence of the softgel tips, we will be applying to the natural nail and to the tips for better adherence. Following the application, we will be applying step 3 to the natural nail plate for all 5 fingers and let it cure into the lamp for 60 seconds. Meanwhile, we will be applying a liberal amount of softgel tips step 3 to the tips. The quantity will depend upon the natural nail plate. By the way, step 1 and 2 doesn't need to be cured into the lamp. However, we are curing step 3 as it's a strong foundation adhesive which creates a bond between the natural nail plate and tips. After getting a liberal amount of step 3 into the cuticle area, place the softgel tips to the natural nail plate at an angle of 45 degrees. Start firmly from the cuticle area with constant pressure to the free edge. Flash cure for 5 seconds with rechargeable spot LED lamp for quick polymerization. Following to all 5 fingers, clean excess adhesive around the cuticle with wooden stick and cure it to the LED lamp for full cure 60 seconds. Refine free edge using 100 by 180 grit filer and remove shine using 100 by 180 grit buffer. Remove the dust using manicure brush and wipe off with lint-free wipes soaked in Vynn dehydrator extra adhesion liquid. Girls, do you struggle to apply softgel tips in this kind of nail plate? Or this? How about this? Let me know on the comment if you need a video to know how to apply on those kind of nail plate. It is quite difficult, right? Before we go into the color application, let's talk about step number 4. It's a top coat without a dispersion layer which needs 60-second cure. We will be using this to the softgel tips if our clients wants normal nail lacquer. By the way, Vynn also have beautiful normal nail lacquers in option as IQ nail polish. Let's continue with gel color application. We don't need to put base coat on the top of the softgel tips extension. We can apply directly color. So let's apply our first coat of Salon Gel Polish 262 Black King to the nails. It's time to reveal our surprise for you. We will be showing you a quick application for cacti design, and also please let me know on the comment if you want tips and tricks video on cacti design or amazing magnetic design. Eventually, we cover the entire nail surface with Oh My Gloss No Wipe Top Coat. We repeat this to all the nails and give a final cure into the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Let's put cherry on the cake by applying Vynn 5 Oil Complex on the cuticle and gentle massage to nourish them. Also, we will be massaging with our Vynn Senso Cream Kiss Me. And that's the end of our episode. Let me know on the comment if you agree that softgel extension are the quickest and innovative system, and also give it a thumbs up if you like my surprise. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.